If you're a secret fan of a game you don't want to let others see, you can opt to hide the game from your main library list. Where they go is also fairly well hidden in itself. If you've hidden your games, intentionally or by accident, here's how to find them on Steam. To start, launch your Steam app and log in if you aren't already. Once it finishes loading up, click on View at the top of the screen, then select Hidden Games. This will open your Hidden Games folder. If this is the first time you've accessed this folder, it may well be empty. This is the folder Steam uses to store games you've chosen to hide. To hide a game, open your library, then find and select the game you want to hide from the list on the left. From here, give it a right click, then mouse over Manage. Select Hide this game, and it will instantly disappear from your library. Do note that this will only hide the game on Steam's interface. The game's files and shortcuts will still be visible if a person knows where to look. That aside, you can also easily access your hidden games by searching for them through the search bar above your game list. Click on the plus icon next to Hidden to see matching results in your Hidden Games folder. If you liked this guide, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for all sorts of videos covering Steam and other technology. And don't forget to check out one of these videos we think you might enjoy.